Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ram Damija. Today is 22nd of January, and I bring to you the market update for today. So, it was a very good day for the market participants today, and there was no wild movement in the Nifty. And also, the options decayed very nicely. So, it was a very good day for option selling as well. And there were a couple of results also that came out today. And I shall take you through all those developments and how the day has panned out basically. So this is the chart for Nifty 50 and this is the daily chart. So if you see, we are still in that range which we made and today is the seventh day in which we are in the range. First, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eighth, actually eighth day in this particular range of 23,000 to 23,450. And we also today just bounced back from the yesterday's low. Although you can see there is a huge bearish candle that was formed yesterday, but we have bounced back from that. And if I show you the intraday chart for Nifty, it was a very smooth day today with not too much of movement. This is how we started off with 23,095 odd. We went down to yesterday's low, and which was about 22,980, and from there we have bounced back, so which is great. Now, will this bounce sustain or not is anyone's guess, but the signals are mixed. So I will take you through what the signals are indicating. So this is the open interest. If you look at the open interest, we are at 0.81. So there was certain amount of puts that were added. So if you see, this is the put addition of almost 3 crore puts were added today, and only 66 lakhs calls. Now this is not very high, but it is still better than 0.6 where we were. So we're still not out of the woods. 16 crore calls versus 13 crore puts, but at least the market movement was in green today, and there have been certain amount of put addition, which is a good signal for all of us. Now, if you look at what happened in terms of the straddle premiums, the straddle opened at 210 odd, and from there it just secularly declined to 120. So it was a very good decay day for the straddle and for the option sellers, I would say. And a lot of it got realized. Actually, all of it got realized because there was hardly any movement. But again, for tomorrow, there is no premium left. Now, 123 it is closing. If there is no night movement or no night news or anything like that, we are likely to open at 100. Now, with 100 points straddle, it's very difficult to realize. So, my best case would be that we hit one side stop loss and we take the movement on the other side. That will be the best case tomorrow. But if the movement is both sides, then stop loss is going to go within the first half an hour. So, as an option seller, you have to be prepared for these things. Uh, what was the highlights for today? The highlights for today was HDFC Bank results, 2.2% year-on-year growth and 16,700 odd crore profit, but it closed up. So I don't have any view on this. I will probably do some analysis of this and come out with whether it was good, bad, but market, of course, kind of treats it as good, so good. Um, Whereas ICICI Prove, which showed a 40% kind of a jump in results, actually fell down. So that's a different story altogether. But this is how the heat map is. So Nifty 50, Infosys was up 3%, Wipro 3.6, TechM 2.6, TCS 3%, all kind of following Nasdaq. All are up, all follow the currency. So currency is down, Nasdaq is up, all our tech names are up. Great. Pharma, again, currency related play to an extent. So Sun Pharma was up 2.06%. Financiers are trying to make some sort of a comeback with Bajaj Fin at 1.5. But BEL was down -3. Trent is in a secular downtrend now at -1.9. So all the names with higher valuations are coming down. If you look at Nifty Next 50, this is how it is. So ICICI Pru that I was mentioning was down -6%. Lodha -6%. Bajaj Holdings up 4.5%. HAL -3%. Naukri -3%. And so on. DLF -3%. REC -3%. In terms of the international cues, Nasdaq futures are up 0.81, which is great news. Bitcoin is at 104,000 US dollars, which is good news again. US dollar index has gone down below 108, which is great news for us. So hopefully the FIs will have some mercy and they will stop selling. Yesterday also they sold a huge number. We are now at -55,000 crores for the month, which is huge. Brent is behaving nicely, 79.61. Currency has improved a bit at 86.2. It was 86.5. Gold is making an all-time high, and hence, it is very, very important for you to have gold in your allocation. It helps when the equity markets are down. Equity markets are down 12%. Gold is at all-time high. So now you know why gold is important for your portfolio. Silver is also up. So this was the wrap for today in terms of how things went. Couple of points from my side. One is that today was a very good day. So whatever loss was there yesterday has got recovered in terms of at least my option selling book. And the month is looking good again. The month is back to 2.34% odd. So today was a good day at 1.4% odd in green. So it is very important to come every day to the market, have your system in place, put similar orders, and have a strategy which will help you get the theta for that particular day when the markets are obliging. Like for example, yesterday there was no chance to make money for an option seller because of the kind of movement, but today the markets were kind, and there was enough opportunity for anyone with systems to make good money because there was hardly any movement. So you just had to come and place the trade, whatever trade one does. So keeping stop loss is very important. Yesterday it was very critical to limit your losses, because if you were able to do that yesterday, today the market has rewarded more than what it took yesterday. So this is how we maintain our monthly PNL. This is how we grow our capital. So it is very important to have systems. It is very important to have stop loss in the system. It is very important to also have stop profit in the system. So I have all three, and it's also very important to diversify across instruments. So I trade many instruments. It's not only that I trade 0DTE. So having said that, very good day, a much needed day for option sellers, for the market participants. And let's see what the markets hold for us tomorrow in expiry. It's going to be very interesting expiry with hardly any premium. So let's see how we tackle that. And my worry would be that if we have a waterfall day tomorrow in terms of the breakdown for Nifty, then things will get rough, because mid cap and small caps really haven't corrected too much. Once they start to correct, then they typically go 2x 3x of the mainline indices in terms of their correction numbers. So that's it. Good day. Hope all of you also had a very good day today, and I shall see you tomorrow with another market update. And that's it from me. Bye bye.